Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wix for e-commerce setup, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Wix homepage by typing www.wix.com into your web browser. Click on the Get Started button located at the top right corner of the page. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a strong password. After filling in the required fields, click on Create New Account. Wix may ask you to confirm your email address. Check your inbox for an email from Wix and follow the link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Wix homepage and log in using your credentials. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted with an onboarding welcome screen. Wix will ask about the type of website you want to create. Select Online Store from the options provided. You will then be guided through a series of questions about your store. Provide details about what you plan to sell and any specific features you need. After answering the questions, click Next to proceed. Wix will then present you with templates specifically designed for e-commerce. Browse through the available templates until you find one that suits your brand. Click on your chosen template to preview it. If you're satisfied with your choice, click Edit Site. The Wix editor will open, allowing you to customize your template. Begin by adding your store's name and logo to the site. Next, navigate to the Add menu on the left side of the editor. Select Store to add e-commerce functionality to your site. You will find options to add products, collections, and pricing. Upload product images and provide detailed descriptions for each item. Set your product pricing and any applicable shipping fees. Explore the payment options to configure how you will accept payments. Make sure to enable payment methods like credit cards and PayPal. To finalize your setup, navigate to Site Settings. Here, you can set up important features like your store's policies and SEO. Once everything is set up, hit the Publish button to make your site live. Your e-commerce site is now ready for customers to explore and shop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.